Hey everyone, welcome back. So, how are you all doing? Today I'm drawing with watercolor a man watching a painting in a museum. This is what I am drawing. At first, I am using blue color for the wall. I am using watercolor of Camel brand. You can use any kind of watercolor that you have. For the four poses, you have to watch the whole video. I hope you will watch the whole video. At first apply color, then apply water to spread the color. Now I am applying water on the painting. For this, you don't have to draw a specific painting, just draw it like this. It will be fine. It's just a painting. You don't need to do a specific drawing. Now I'm using yellow color. I tried to draw long straight strokes, but it didn't work. So I didn't go further. For this is here a man wearing a black cap, and this is here I am coloring right now. Now I'm mixing yellow color with red color. You can use any kind of color that you want. I mean, you don't need to use a mixture of yellow and red color. If you want, you can use just red color or green color. You can use anything that you want. Now I'm using brown color, burnt sienna brown color for strokes. You can draw any kind of design that you want. The reference pic that I used for this painting, that person was wearing this kind of shirt, so I am trying to draw it. If you want, you can skip this part. Now I am using a marker to color the cap with as black color cap. But if you want, you can also use the black color. I thought that it will be better if I use some marker because it will be a good grip. That's why it will give me a good grip. That's why I'm using a marker. If you want, you can also use just brush and color. You can use black color or any kind of color that you want. It's a bag. Now I'm coloring the bag. Now I am using a black gel pen to outline my painting. If you want, you can also use a color with just brush to outline, but I feel that outlining is important. It will make look good to your painting will look good with it, so that's why I love to do it. I hope that you will do it too, but if you want you can skip, but I will tell you to do it. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.